Join me as I dive deep into the world of QQQ stock to see if it really is the future of investing. The QQQ stock, also known as the Invesco QQQ ETF, is a popular exchange-traded fund that tracks the performance of the Nasdaq 100 index. This index is comprised of the 100 largest and most actively traded companies listed on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange, which is home to many of the world's leading technology and growth-oriented companies. As a result, QQQ stock has become a benchmark for the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 index and a popular investment vehicle for those looking to gain exposure to the tech sector. QQQ stock faces several challenges that could impact its performance. Market volatility is a major concern, as tech stocks can be particularly sensitive to fluctuations in the market. Interest rate changes also play a significant role, as rising interest rates can make borrowing more expensive for companies and reduce their profitability. Additionally, economic indicators such as GDP growth, inflation, and employment rates can influence investor sentiment and impact the stock's performance. These factors can cause QQQ stock to experience significant price swings, making it essential for investors to stay informed and adjust their strategies accordingly. The tech sector is also subject to rapid changes in trends and consumer behavior, which can affect QQQ stock's performance. For instance, a shift towards cloud computing or artificial intelligence can boost the stock prices of companies that are well positioned in these areas. On the other hand, a decline in demand for a particular product or service can negatively impact the stock prices of companies that rely heavily on it. Furthermore, global economic trends, such as trade tensions and regulatory changes, can also influence QQQ stock's performance. QQQ stock's performance is often compared to other indices, such as the S&P 500. While the S&P 500 is a broader index that represents the overall U.S. stock market, QQQ stock is more focused on the tech sector. This focus on tech has enabled QQQ stock to outperform the S&P 500 in some periods, but it also makes it more vulnerable to sector-specific downturns. Several factors contribute to QQQ's performance, including trends in technology, investor sentiment, and comparisons with other indices. For example, the rise of cloud computing and cybersecurity has driven the growth of companies like Microsoft and Cisco, which are among the top holdings in QQQ stock. Investor sentiment also plays a crucial role, as positive earnings reports and innovative product launches can boost investor confidence and drive up stock prices. Investor sentiment is a crucial factor in determining QQQ stock's performance. When investors are optimistic about the tech sector, they are more likely to invest in QQQ stock, driving up its price. Conversely, when investors are pessimistic, they may sell their QQQ stock, causing its price to decline. This sentiment can be influenced by various factors, including earnings reports, product launches, and economic trends. QQQ stock's performance is also influenced by its underlying holdings. The fund's top holdings, such as Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft, have a significant impact on its overall performance. When these companies experience significant price swings, it can affect QQQ stock's price. Therefore, it's essential to monitor the performance of these underlying holdings to understand QQQ stock's potential future performance. In my analysis, QQQ stock appears to be well positioned for future growth, given its focus on innovative and growth-oriented companies. However, it's essential to acknowledge that the tech sector is highly competitive and subject to rapid changes. As such, investors should be cautious and stay informed about the trends and challenges facing QQQ stock. To summarize, QQQ stock offers a unique opportunity for investors to gain exposure to the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 index. While it faces challenges such as market volatility and interest rate changes, its focus on innovative companies and trends in technology position it well for potential future growth. If you have any thoughts on QQQ stock or its potential future, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about investing in the stock market, be sure to check out my other videos for more insights and analysis.